Credit cards. Credit cards let people buy things now and pay later. They are useful for emergencies or online shopping. Many people like using them because they are simple and convenient. However, credit cards can also be risky. If someone spends too much, they may not be able to pay the bill. When that happens, the bank charges interest. The debt becomes bigger and harder to control. To use a credit card responsibly, people should only buy what they can afford. They should pay the full amount every month. This helps avoid interest and keeps the card safe to use. Credit cards can also help people build a credit history. A good credit history makes it easier to get loans in the future. Banks trust people who make payments on time. Even though credit cards are helpful, they must be used carefully. Staying responsible protects people from stress and financial problems.
Why do people use credit cards? To save more money? To avoid banks? To buy things now and pay later? When can credit cards be useful? Only for food and shopping. Only for travel and study. For emergencies or online shopping. What happens if someone spends too much money? The bank gives more money. They may not be able to pay the bill. The card stops working forever. What does the bank charge when a person does not pay the full bill? Interest, discount, loan. How can people avoid interest? Pay a little money every month. Pay the full amount every month. Use many credit cards. What happens when a person builds a good credit history? It is easier to get loans in the future. They can save more money. They do not need a bank in the future.
I hope you liked the video. Want to study more? Grab the text and PDF here, and you can also visit my website for more English activities. See you.